final presentation, working with lameramera. The team members are Luis Gilberto as coordinator, Carolina, Jesus Fernando, Luis Ángel, and Cesar. The objective of this work is to implement the skills learned throughout the course and apply them in future careers, making project administration easier. For the planning, we use a blog on Facebook to interact, a project charter to define and describe the project, work breakdown structure to define phases and organize activities, responsibility metrics to assign roles and participation in tasks, Gantt chart to create a schedule. Here is our Gantt, where you can see the two stages of the project and the processes of each one. The processes have each responsible, length, date of start, and end date. Then you can see our Gantt diagram of the process. Here is our resources. Assist flowchart. Let's see the assist flowchart. There are three key aspects about how the process is performed currently. One is that it is done randomly during business hours at the retail store, and since it takes place on the shop floor, the customer can interrupt it. This possibility can cause multiple indefinite delays during the process. The other aspect is that the audit inventory is focused on randomly identified products that have reached their expiration date and remove them from the shelves. Currently, there's a big percentage of inventory loss on expired products. Commercial management must inspect and review the inventory loss report, but there will be no further action to improve. Redesign. This is what we think should be done to improve the process. The process should not be performed during business hours. That way we can eliminate the delay caused by the client. Create an internal category called critical products, which are those that will reach their expiration date within the next 7 days. Elaborate one useful digital report that shows those critical products. Then it must be emailed to marketing department instead of printing and delivered to the commercial management. Create sales promotions of critical products. Marketing could play with the shelf arrangement to sell these products first. Also, it can create promotions so the store can at least sell them at a lower price instead of just throwing them away when they go bad. To be flowchart. Now here's the to be flowchart. Principle of process redesign and key metrics. Here we can see how the metrics have improved. 10 steps instead of 17, 17% of value-added steps versus 47%, lead time of 90 minutes versus 130 minutes including marketing participation, a cost of 225 pesos versus 421. In conclusion, we learned that all the tools that we saw, we can use them in the real life. We work together very well, and we should try to adapt to the time that everybody have.